recording by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus R on the keyboard. You can see screen is now recording. Maximum video length is 30 seconds. Let's check the recording. Video format is web. If you want to change video length, then open Terminal and type this command and press enter. You may replace number 0 in the command as you want. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.